Tired of staring at boring spreadsheets? Let's dive into Tableau and transform that data into something truly impactful. First things first, what is Tableau? Think of it as your data visualization playground. It's a powerful software enabling you to visually explore, analyze, and present your data in a compelling way. We'll cover the core elements to get you started. Step 1. Connecting to your data. Tableau supports a wide range of data sources, from Excel spreadsheets and CSV files to cloud databases. Simply select your data source and establish the connection. Next is the data pane, where you'll find all your data fields ready to be used. Drag and drop these fields to the View section to create your visualizations and see your data come to life. The beauty of Tableau lies in its drag-and-drop interface. Want a bar chart? Drag a dimension-like region to the columns and a measure-like cells to the rows. Boom! You've got a bar chart. Customizing is easy. Try different chart types, change colors, add labels, and modify the axis to best represent your information. Hover over a bar to display more details. Now, let's talk dashboards. Dashboards are the magic touch that combines multiple visualizations into a singular, interactive view. You can add interactivity to allow consumers to filter and engage with your data and explore the dataset in new ways. Think filtered selections, changing of parameters, and data comparison. This is how you convert raw data into actionable insights. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a well-designed dashboard. Use clear titles, strategic layouts, and consistent formatting to guide your audience. Tableau makes it straightforward to build dynamic interactive displays. This is the power of data-driven decision-making. Now go forth and unlock the awesome power of Tableau.